What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here, GuitarJamz.com. Welcome to
Blues Week.
Anyway, I have the SRV style lick. You know, when I used to listen to him before I even played guitar and, was worshiping his playing before I even knew what he was doing, I could always recognize that one signature SRV lick. I'm going to teach it to you right now for free. And also just, reminding you I've got this Blues Masterclass DVD set with a really cool bonus set of licks that I just filmed last week. You can check it out down there. I really appreciate it. And not only am I going to teach you this SRV lick right now, I'm going to pick one comment on this video to win those DVDs for free. And that's all I can think of right now, so let's just get to it. Here we go! All right, let's do this lick. I was playing a 12-bar blues in D. So the root, and I'm just in standard tuning. Stevie Ray always tuned a half step down, but we can just learn this lick right now, no problem. 10th fret on the low E string is the root of this pentatonic thing. And the lick that he does, typically, he does it a lot, but it's mostly done on the turnaround. So when you're playing a 12-bar blues in D, the 5 chord is called an A, A7. So the basic gist is we're going to bend the G string on the 12th fret, and then we're going to play the 10th on the B, and then the 10th on the high E. And if you notice, all the notes are ringing out individually. I'm not going... So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to play the 13th fret on the B string, but we're going to give it a little nudgy nudge. And you could use your ring finger if your fingers are nice and long, I'm just used to my pinky right there. So then I'm going to go to the 12th fret on the high E right there. So then I'm doing a hammer-on pull-off between the 10th and the 12th on the high E. Put those together. So as soon as I do that, I go right back to the 13 on the B, and then from there you can go down the blues scale. And I do lots of variations. I mess with the blues note right there on the 13 of the G. it comes. You know, you're going to hear that A. Here it comes. Turnaround lick. Now, also on that turnaround, you can actually use this passing tone right here. Right here. Like this. Instead of, you can go. And that note obviously is not in the pentatonic. When you're thinking of it as the key of D, it's called the 9. And it's a great substitution for that note instead. You know, if you're playing through the pentatonic, Eric Johnson, Joe Bonamassa, on and on and on. So that lick can be used in any of the 3 chords of the 12-bar blues, but it is used most oftenly as that turnaround lick. So work on that, see if you can squeeze it in there. I've definitely worked on that lick before with you guys. If you haven't, you know, seen a video ever, I'm sure there's one out there floating around. But yeah, it's a good one for me, and I hope it was good for you. All right, there was the lick. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, leave a comment, and I'm going to pick one comment to win that DVD set. I thank you so much for the support. Really, thank you. And we'll see you in another lesson real soon. Take care.